So, hi guys! Today, mag-unbox naman ako ng aking November BDJ box. And dumating na siya kanina lang. And sobrang excited na akong buksan. Kaya gumawa na talaga agad ako ng video. Kasi, gusto ko totoo yung aking reaksyon sa mga bagay-bagay. Kaya, so the box looks like this. So, napaka-cute ng kanyang front cover. May nakasulat na Sweet Shop, an exclusive benefit. So, ito yung likod. Ang cute-cute na. Parang pang Christmas na. So, ito yung talagang box. Yan. So, maliit lang siya, pero let's see kung anong laman. Hindi ko pa talaga ito nakakikita. So, tingnan natin. Ang pink-pink. Woo! Ito yung mga product list. Ito yung mga products na nasa loob. And andun yung mga prices nila. Oh! Natutuwa ako. Meron din silang mga sticker. Ang nakasulat naman ngayon sa sticker nila is love the way you look the way you love. Oh, cute! Open na natin. Ito yung itsura ng product. So, ito yung laman ng box. So, first one, let's start with this one. Oh, we have here, they are real push-up liner. Paano to? Paano nangyari? Lash Hugging Gel Liner Pen. Tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura niya sa loob. Paano ba ito buksan? Ito yung nasa loob niya. Buksan natin sa loob. Tingnan natin syempre kung ano yung nasa loob. So yun, pag na-open mo, ito yung itsura niya. Meron pa siyang lock. So para lumabas. Push yung tip. Ayun na. Ito niya na. Kailangan lang i-push. Then ito. Ooh! Gel siya. Ay ano. Parang gel liner. Sayang. Nasayang ko ba? Baka mamaya konti lang kasi siya. Pero yan. Para siyang gel liner. Ang galing. And black na black siya. Tama na. So, lightly lang. Hindi siya natatanggal. Ayan. So, yun. Sobrang black niya. And I have to push up eyeliner from Benefit. And next is this Benny Tint. Sample size lang din. So, nakasulat dito is a Rose Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain Solution Colorant. So, high beam sample. Lahat mahirap. Pero, ang nakakatuwa, kasi dito sa, yung pala, may na-open naman pala doon. May mga nakasulat doon sa loob ng box kung paano siya ilalagay. Luminescent Complexion Enhancer. So, I think this one is a highlighter. If hindi ako nagkakamali, high beam. So, next is this Professional. And I have two. This one is a pore minimizer. Ito yung kanyang sample size, a 3.0 ml. Nakakatuwa dito kasi matatry mo yung mga products nila and malalaman mo kung ano ba yung maganda sa Benefit bago ko bumili, diba? Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores. So, next is this Bigger Than BB Big Easy with SPF 35. So, this one is in 05 beige. I think this one is a BB cream. So, open natin siya. Beauty Balancing Act. Balances moisture and controls oil. Self-adjust on skin to your exact shade. Ooh, yung galing ha. Perfects and evens with liquid to powder finish. Protects with SPF 35 PA+++ to help prevent aging. So, ito yung BB cream na mag-adjust para sa'yo, para makuha mo yung exact shade mo. Ang galing! So, yeah, I wanna try this one out na. Yun nga, Big Easy Complexion Perfector. So, next is this Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow Brightening Makeup. So, this one is in the shade Champagne. Cheers to me. This one is a brightening makeup with Oxygen Wow Hydrating Complex, which is helps to boost cellular respiration for a plumping up effect, helps to protect against environmental stresses, contains vitamin C and E, derivatives known to prevent signs of aging. So, I think this one is parang foundation. Na parang ayun, feeling ko parang foundation. So, next, present this voucher at your favorite Benefit store to avail of a free makeup upper and brow consultation. So, yun, meron lang silang branch na available, pero meron akong free make upper and brow consultation sa Benefit store. Alam ko, baka pumunta ako sa Alabang. So, next ay itong skincare solution. So radiant. You'll need a dimmer switch. So, yan yung nakasulat. Nakasulat, it's potent eye cream, brightening eye cream. Okay, it's an eye cream. So, this one fades dark circles and helps smooth fine lines for brighter, younger looking eyes. So, this one is a eye cream. And this one is a facial serum. Facial serum. Pag may narinig akong serum or may nabasa akong serum, for sure maganda yan. Maganda yun sa face. Instant Comeback Age-Defying Booster Serum instantly boosts the youthful look of skin. Tired skin looks plump and hydrated and feels firmer, smoother, energized. Para sa mga stress skin ito. So yun, in short, para sa lahat ng mga stressed. So yun lang yung November BBJ box. Lahat sila from Benefit. Ang maganda doon kasi never pa ako nakatry ng products ng Benefit and I'm so happy na naka-receive ako ng mga sample size from Benefit kasi matatry ko kung ano ba yung maganda sa kanila. Hindi ako natirinig about Benefit products pero hindi ko pa natatry. Kaya I'm so happy na Benefit products yung laman ng November BBJ box. So yun! Thank you so much guys for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! Hi guys! Today I will do my October favorites. October ba? Oo, kasi ang bilis ng panahon. Parang kakagawa ko lang ng September favorites. Pero yan, October na agad.